Tired of dirty glasses and nothing to clean them? Dirty touchscreen in your car? Does your computer monitor have fingerprints all over it? Well, now you can clean all those devices with ease with the all-new Swipeze. Keep one in your car, at your desk, on your side. Swipeze makes it easy to keep all of your devices clean anytime and anywhere. Swipeze is made of durable microfiber material so it won't scratch or damage your expensive eyewear or electronics. Our 30-day test in the Swipeze test lab shows that Swipeze is the best choice over the standard brand cleaning cloth. Swipeze is perfect for prescription eyewear, sunglasses, camera lenses, smartphones, tablets, automobile touchscreens, handheld gaming systems, and so much more. Dirty camera lens? Swipe it. Dirty sunglasses? Swipe it. Dirty computer screen? Swipe it. No more worrying about fingerprints all over expensive devices or eyewear, because now you can clean them with ease with the all-new Swipeze. Swipeze comes with a sleek pouch, so you can get a dust-free clean every time. Also, the retractable clip makes it easy to clip on your side or purse for easy convenience. Swipeze also comes with Velcro fasteners, so you can put it in your car or on your computer to easily access Swipeze for cleaning anytime. Swipeze easily snaps and unsnaps from its pouch, so you can remove the cloth to machine wash it when it's dirty. Yes, Swipeze is machine washable. Swipeze retails for $19.99, but if you order right now, you will get the all-new amazing Swipeze not for $19.99, but our special introductory offer of $14.99. And if you order in the next 10 minutes, we'll throw in 2 additional cleaning cloths. And shipping is absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? That's a $10 savings by ordering now. And start wiping those stubborn smudges away with ease with the all-new Swipeze. Go to swipeze.com and order today.